Hi everyone, it's Christine with 20-Minute Manicure by Christine. And further to my live video that I did on Monday this week, I'm just doing another video. As you will recall, I did this set here, which is from the St. Patty's Day collection. And I am just, can't remember the name of the strip. It's terrible. Maybe Feeling Lucky, I'm not sure. But it's a really, really super cool gradient from dark green over to a lime green, and it's quite sparkly. It's very pretty. So, some of the feedback I got from that live video was people wanting me to do more mixed manis, like showing how to actually do that. And also nail preparation. Okay, so I want to do just a really quick video because I lost a nail today. Now you may recall too, if you watch my video, that I applied press-on nails on Friday, February 3rd. So here we are at Thursday, February 23rd, and would you believe I still have on 1, 2, 3 original press-on nails out of 10. I think that's pretty remarkable. Okay, so one came flying off today. Don't know where it is. I hate that part of it. Like, where is it? The most embarrassing thing would be if someone came and handed it to me and said, I think you're missing this. Because who can not notice these nails, right? Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna tip you guys down. I'm gonna go through the prep of my one nail. So that'll be like a refresher on nail preparation. And then I'm gonna do mixed mani because you know what? I have no more strips of this, this set. So I'm gonna have to wing it, okay? So I'll see you down. I'm gonna try and get this set up so you guys can see. I'm gonna give you some light. And let's just check it out and see if you can see my hands okay. I think we're good. All right. So, so I did do some repairs on my nails as well. I was really hard on my nails this week and I had some wear and tear. So what I did is, and this is a great trick, if you have the, I call it the baby fingernail strip. It's the most narrow strip. It's too narrow for my baby fingers. And so I saved those though. And so what I did was I applied them diagonally on a couple on my nail where I had a little bit of wear down here. So it just looks really cool because it's got kind of the stripy effect, right? Okay, so that's one way to do a bit of a mixed mani, do a little repair job while using strips in a different way. So I'm going to work on this one nail, and I'm going to use my handy dandy Sally Hansen instant nail or cuticle remover, and I put that on every time I do a new manicure, just to clean up my nails. And what I use along with that is my nail pusher, or cuticle pusher, I should say. I have like a heavy duty kind of metal and industrial one, but some of you have this plastic rubber tip one that I may have given you. And so I've applied the Sally Hansen cuticle remover, and I'm just very gently pushing back my cuticles. Okay, I shouldn't have much here because I do work on my cuticles quite a bit, and also I just did my nails on Monday, right? So I've done that. I'm going to take my rubbing alcohol. I have it in a spray bottle. You know that Color Street provides you with a little pad that comes with the nail strips, but because you know, I use that up and I'm always doing my nails, I have my own bottle of rubbing alcohol because that's all it is. Okay, so I clean off the instant cuticle remover, and I'm going to apply some of the Color Street nail strengthener because I always like to have a base. I like to have something that's going to protect my natural nail. And whether it's protecting my natural nail from the glue, the harsh glue that I was using with the press-on nails, or nail strips, whatever, it doesn't matter. Or even if I'm just going naked, not wearing any polish or anything, I still like to have some type of nail strengthener on that's kind of feeding my nails and just keeping them a little bit protected, okay? So you can see that it adds a little bit of shine because the nail strengthener also works as a fantastic top coat as well. So what I've decided to do, because I don't have any more of the green strips, is I went looking through my collection and I found this very sparkly, I'm pretty sure this is Chelsea Later, and I was hoping that it might look okay. Like there's not really any green in it, but it is of the brown, you know, earthy tones, and it's got a lot of sparkle, as does my nail strips here. So I thought I'm just going to use it as like as an accent finger. Let's see if that's dry. Yes, the Color Street Nail Strengthener dries really quickly. Now this is interesting. Okay, so this is, I believe, the second strip in a set of nails. I would normally use this on my baby finger, but I'm using it on my ring finger, and it's actually quite narrow on this top edge. I'm going to flip it around because this edge is actually a little wider, okay? So I'm going to apply that. First I line it up with my cuticle. I get it where I want it to be. And I smooth that down, and then I nip it with my thumbnail. Okay, I'm gonna save that little bit. Where did it go? Did I lose it? I hate it when I lose it, but I was gonna save it to see if I would use it somewhere else. But I go over it then with this cuticle pusher, this rubber tip, because I really like it for getting it right down into the sidewalls and ensuring that this nail strip is down good and tight on my nail so that it can cure with no nail or air bubbles or anything. So that is done. Okay, now I have one more strip of this. So I was thinking, because it's like kind of the odd man out, I would try to do a little bit of nail art. So I'm gonna get my scissors, and I have really like these tiny little nail scissors, or for sewing or whatever. And I'm thinking, because I already have a diagonal on this nail here, maybe I'll do something on this one. Maybe I'll do just a stripe. Maybe I'll do a stripe down the center. I don't know, I'm just going to play around. So I'm going to take off the top strip. I got my nail here. I'm leaving on the back one. And I'm just going to kind of cut it down the center. And I'm just going to make a really super narrow strip. Okay. And I'm going to take off the backing carefully. Okay, now what am I going to do with this? I was thinking on my, I don't know, will I just go down the center? So I just do that? Now I've got to really make sure I get that even, because nothing worse than having it crooked. I think that's pretty even. So I'm going to nip that off. Okay, there. That's just something to tie it in with this nail here. Now I do have some of that left over. I'm going to do this hand. Maybe I'll do it the same thing on my index finger, just to tie it in. So again, I'm really looking, what I'm looking for is the center of my cuticle line there. and then working down towards the tip of my nail. Okay, it's actually not terribly noticeable, but who knows, maybe maybe it's just the really super bright light that I have, but I'm just hoping that it gives it a little something. Now what I do have is I still have this kind of hunk of nail. There's something I could do with it too on this hand. I'm just thinking again to just tying it in. This finger is plain, so maybe I'll show you what I did here. So let's pretend that this is the narrow baby fingernail. And okay, so I've got it angling. This one is angling this way. I put it on like that. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So I take off the back. And I'm just going to line it up kind of with the edge of my nail on this side. And I'm just angling up. I'm just winging it. Okay, and now what I do is I'm gonna nip off that edge and nip off that edge, tuck under. See, this is my fake nail, my press-on. You can really see it, my growth in the cuticle area, but who cares? You know, so no one's gonna notice that. Everybody needs to relax too a little bit about their state of their manicure. You know, I always say you're your hardest critic. So then normally I would wait a little bit, but then what you're going to do is you take maybe a glass nail file, maybe just a regular file, and just be very gentle. And just gently clean those edges. This one's pretty significant. And then what I will do is I will top it off with a layer of top coat in about half an hour. I'm not going to do it right now, okay? And then maybe what I'll do is I'll post a picture when it's done. I'm back again. So that's basically my little demonstration of doing a bit of a mixed mani, doing just something unique to use up strips and to kind of accommodate when you don't have any of your original strips left. Okay, so I hope you enjoy that, and there'll be more how-to videos coming up in the near future. Okay, have a great night, everyone. Bye.